Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna try to do the installation of the new wheels and tires. Finally got the tires in. I've had the wheels for a while and hoping to get them installed today. I'm gonna be going to Walmart. I don't charge as much, so we're gonna try that and see how it goes, but I'll give you guys maybe a little sneak peek of the wheels. I'll go ahead and show you that here. All right, so here's the wheels. 17s. I did look at it just to see a little bit, and these are really nice. You can see it is, I forgot the company, looks like it's 969 is what it's called, is the brand. These are what it looks like. You can see, very nice. It's got the like gunmetal gray. Looks really good. Hoping to get these installed today. So we'll see. I'm gonna drop it off and have them look at it and see. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll show you guys the tires in just a minute. Oh, and these are 17 by 8.5. So offset is, I think, -12. So, and then I got some tires, some good meaty tires to show. Alright, so these are the tires we're going to be installing. As you can see, they're 265/70 R17. They're a all-terrain, all-season. The brand is Arturo. So it's got good reviews. I mean, I love the tread. Looks good, brand new. So these are the tires we're hoping to install, so pretty similar to the ones I have on here, so on the older Tacoma. So we'll get those tires mounted up on those wheels and see how it looks like. So I'm going to be putting everything in the truck, and then we'll head over and see. I forgot to mention that I bought some new sensors to go on the new wheels. So I have these, brand new. So we're gonna be getting those mounted up as well, so that the ones on, I can just sell the stock wheels with the sensors and not having to pay extra to have them removed and swapped over. So I just bought these. It's not too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring these with me. Forgot. All right, guys, I'm pulling up to it and see if we can get it done today. Alright guys, so this is how it is installed on the tires. I don't have it mounted on the truck yet. I need to get the lug nuts to fit on here, so I'll have to finish that probably tomorrow. But this is how they look. Pretty meaty tires right here. As you can see, 265/70 17, so they're pretty beefy. All-terrain right here, all-terrain and all season. So I have them done and installed today, but obviously those stock lug nuts don't fit, so I kind of knew it, but it's all right. I should have some smaller lug nuts to fit in here. I just don't know if I have 24, because each wheel has 6 holes and I only have 20, so I need to find 4 extra lug nuts. So I'll have to call up some local tire places and see if they have extra lug nuts that I can buy just 4, and then come back and finish it up and mount it on the truck and installed. But as of right now, that's how they're looking like. It's gonna be exciting to have these on. So we'll have to continue this video and show you once it's installed. And I guess I'll show you the lug nuts. I'm hoping to get black ones, but we'll see how it goes. I'm wanting to stick with black. I'm sure they're gonna be black, but I just don't know what I'm gonna do with those extra 4, if I can find them locally in black. So, and I need to pull off these stickers. But yeah, I mean, it's looking good. We'll continue this next day. All right, guys, it's finally on. As you can see, finally got them installed. took a minute, took a long time to get these on. Man, what a, whew. Thing that sucks is, I guess, I mean, most of the sensors are reading, except for this driver's side. And these are brand new sensors, so I'm gonna have to talk to the seller and try to figure that out. And then again, I have to go back and reprogram, but as you can see, they're on. Looks really good. Give you a front view. That pokes out a little bit. It looks good in my opinion. Dang, she's coming along. I have to get the rails installed still. The grill, new grill install, and then headlights and fog lights. Those are the big things I need to change out. So there's more to come, but it looks really good. Already is looking a lot better. And it looks like it's just leaking some. I think it might need a new water pump soon. So, but other than that, looks good. Side by side. What do you guys think? You like these wheels more? Or these ones? You like these ones more? Or this look more? I like both, to be honest, but I think for this kind, for the 3rd gen, I think, and for the color of the car, the truck, I mean, I think this wheel fits this truck a lot better. I think these wheels, if they were on this truck, I mean, it would look not bad, but I think these wheels fit this truck, and these wheels fit that truck. So I think, so I honestly, I mean, these are dirty, but I still think these in general are nicer. These tires here, so the wheel specs are similar to, this has a 12 offset and this has like a 6 offset. Tire size, this is a little smaller, this is a 265/65 R17. And these, as you can see, 265/70 R17, so they're a little bit bigger. I mean, you can tell the difference somewhat, but not too big of a difference. Looks good though. But yeah, I need to get the side rails installed on this truck now. As you can see, it kind of looks like the newer Tacoma is a little higher than my. Might be the same. I think it's, well, I was just gonna say it's the slope. I think that's kind of giving that illusion. But it looks good. A few more things to come. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy this video. I have more to come. So, but yeah, we got to get that sensor fixed in the front. And that's good. Eventually, maybe down the road, get a lift. Not much of a, not too big of a lift, a few inches, but looks good. All right, so we'll wrap up the video, call it good. There are more videos to come, and thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have more videos like this coming up. All right, see you guys.